Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting spotting video, I'm gonna be doing a rose garden in my own proper garden. So I am super excited to do this project because it's been a project I've been anticipating to create over the past few months. And so we finally got time to do it, and as you can see, there's a little bit of changes in the garden already. So as you can notice, the ark has been relocated from that little area over there, and now it has been relocated to the middle of the garden, which is something that I had problems with over there. It kind of bugged me that it wasn't in the middle. So now my dad helped me and we moved it to the middle of the garden now, and the pedestals have their area, and we even planted a magnolia tree in its replacement, so we have a little bit of elegance right there as well. So let me go ahead and bring you guys in and show you where we're gonna be working. So walking in, this is the entrance right here, the magnolia tree there. The former area of the ark was right here. So now when you walk in, this area is gonna be our rose garden. So the thing I'm gonna do is from this little post right here, I'm gonna bring it down over here and end it to like right here, and I want to cover this up with roses and everything and have it really nice. We have this double red knockout rose right here that performs prolifically for me, and so I'm going to clean it up, deadhead it. And then we also have right here the yellow knockout rose that I'm going to be cleaning up as well. And I do have some roses scattered around in the garden that I will be transplanting to this area to fill it up a little bit more. So the thing I'm going to do is I'm removing the Mexican spinach right here, the sunflower back there, moving this pot, cleaning it up. And so I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step on what I'm gonna be doing to go ahead and prep this area for a rose garden. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna remove all the plants I no longer want in this area, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and relocate them, or if I really don't want them, just discard them. And I'm just gonna do that, and then we'll report back to when I go ahead and have that done and when we move on to the second step. So I cleaned off the area already. The bricks around Frida Kahlo has been removed, the native sunflower as well as the Mexican spinach. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove these two stepping stones right here, remove these two tomato plants right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and start planting my roses in their proper rows. So like here, Frida Kahlo is going to be one row, this one's going to be another one, and that one's going to be another one. So we can fill this area up with gorgeous roses so we can have a spectacular show when you walk in. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And then we'll go ahead and record the second part of when I do the next part. So let me go ahead and do that. So I planted all the roses in their appropriated area. So here we have Frida Kahlo, double pink knockout rose, duet rose between the iceberg rose and a burgundy iceberg rose. I don't know the variety of this one, but it's this gorgeous rose right here. Double red knockout rose, iceberg rose, I believe the double knockout yellow rose, and then one I got from Aldi's back there. So now I'm going to water everything in, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay a nice layer of cardboard down so we can suppress and start killing off the grass that's here and make it look a bit more neater and whatever. So let me go ahead and water this in and go ahead and place the cardboard down. So this is the final product right here. So we have all the roses planted as well as the cardboard laid. So over time, this cardboard is going to get used to this area and start decomposing, but hopefully eventually I'll be able to get like a layer of mulch down to have it more of a finished look. But this is what I'm going with right now, and I'm super excited to see how it goes, because from the entrance of the garden, don't mind the mess here, but once you enter the garden, the first thing you'll see is this gorgeous garden filled with roses, and it's gonna be like a welcoming stage. Another thing is, this used to be the main entrance. So of course you're gonna see this stepping way right here, but I want to convert, oh, there's my camera stand, but this area right here I want to convert into a fruit tree area. So like citruses and everything that we're able to grow here, I want to plant them here and dedicate a little area to the fruit trees and whatsoever here, so we can have a little fruit tree patch right here, so we can have it here. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the garden quite yet, but of course the entranceway is already something that has been already determined, like fruit trees here and a nice welcoming rose garden here. So that's going to be it. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. So that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Hopefully you guys found this video entertaining, because I had fun doing it. Thank you all so much for watching. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.